What is going on, guys? This is Urban Explorer 260 back with another crazy video today. I am at an abandoned bowling alley I just recently discovered like a half hour from my own apartment today. I didn't know all these years I've been living here that this has been here. Check this out, guys. An entire abandoned bowling alley. They left all the shoes, bowling pins. They left a lot behind, guys. So this is gonna be a really good video today, guys. I hope you enjoy. Let's explore. All right, so we are in the abandoned bowling alley right now, and they left literally everything. Lockers, your score displays down there, even on the ceilings. Everything is left. It's in kind of rough condition. Everything is completely left. All the seats, bowling pins, bowling balls. Look at all those lanes, guys. This is my first abandoned bowling alley I've ever been to, and I am so excited. I was supposed to do one in Lansing earlier today, but a guy came up and warned me he would call the cops if I didn't leave. And subsequently, I found this other one the same exact day. So it's pretty rare you find two abandoned bowling alleys in the same day, guys. And look, every single ball return, guys, is perfectly frozen in time just sitting here. All the displays up there too are left. Check that out. And even coming along here, some of the old bowling balls are just sitting around. Look at that. Even some of the old bowling shoes. You'll see a lot of those in the video, just left. Here's a newspaper. Lansing triumphs at all-city tournament. I can't believe they left all these old lockers that you'd put all your belongings in, your purses, your hats, your car keys. And it's pretty cool. I don't know if you guys knew this or not, but Brunswick is a big bowling brand. They've been around for a long time. And yeah, all the lockers are left. And oh, check this out. Some of the old keys are left too. So check this out. On the floor, right next to one of the old bowling shoes, I found their menu that they used to have back in the day. And look how cheap. Onion rings, $4. French fries were $2.50. You could even get baskets like chicken strips, hot dogs, cheeseburgers. You can get some salads. That's pretty neat. It's so crazy to think, guys, that one day every single lane was filled with happy, smiling faces, families, friends, just bowling, eating snacks, and having a great time, guys. And now look, it's just completely dead, frozen, forgotten. That is a pretty eerie feeling. Crazy thing to me is, guys, look at all the bowling shoes they left. It's completely frozen in time since the day it closed. One of the old shoot to win pickup basketball games where the balls would spit out here, you'd grab and you'd keep shooting them to see if you'd make it. Still left here, guys. Look at this. This is a vintage one too. You don't see many of them with the old chains for the net. Wow. Look at that. So if you guys ever wondered, where did your ball go and the pins go after, you hit a strike? Well, this is what it looks like, guys. This is behind all the lanes and all the mechanisms. Basically catch the pins. See, there's still some pins left. Even one right there. And basically, it shoots it right back out. The balls go all the way under the floor, back to the ball return, and the pins get kind of swept back up and rearranged. But, I mean, look at even over here. There's even still bowling balls still left in the actual mechanism, guys. That's pretty unique. Back here is all the maintenance area for basically the bowling alley. all your shelving, your tools on the wall. Everything's still left, all the tools, which is kind of weird. Those are good tools, can be used. But everything in maintenance you need to fix basically all of this and to keep everything running smoothly in the bowling alley so you can play games as you want. I mean, look at all that. There's a lot more that goes into bowling alleys than people really think. Even over here, guys, look. Some of the old score displays, or the display screens, they were trying to fix, but they never did. All right, guys, to a more fun end of the video, I sent up 4 pins down here in this lane. It's completely clear. We're gonna grab one of the old bowling balls and see if we can't hit a strike. Let's go. Here we go. Going for this strike, baby. Get there, 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 get there. Oh, we knocked down 2 pins, guys. So the video cut short, but we did knock down 2 of the pins. I'll take that, guys. Hell yeah. All right, guys, I really enjoyed today's video. An abandoned bowling alley, my first one ever. So I hope to do more in the future, but I had such a fun time today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and like usual, keep exploring.